Hi, I'm Kathy, and I'm from Lakewood, California, and I'm addicted to coyote hunting. I first became obsessed a couple of years ago when I saw several killings on social media and attacks on family pets, cats and dogs, even children.
Every time when Richard comes in, it always starts to cut. Every time. What we talking about? Like chips and we're big ones, and then it always goes to coyote. I don't know how, but somehow it always goes to coyote. Every time.
We just passed the Cypress Cemetery and there was a coyote attack there. An attack on a 2-year-old girl, which is very tragic. We just need to really do something about these coyotes.
And there's been a couple of times when she's forgot to pick me up from school because she's out coyote hunting. She's driving the car and I'm like, hey, Mom, drive. And then she's like, oh, I forgot. I'm looking out for coyotes. I'll be in a little bit. And I'm like,
Coyote.
We will kill you.
Coyotes. I've encountered a few sightings myself. One being coming home late at night on Los Coyotes Boulevard. And the second time I was dropping my son off at the college and a coyote crossed my path. Walking toward a home where there was a cat on the porch, so I decided to chase the coyote, and I was honking my horn like crazy to chase him away, which it did. Caused him to run off away from the cat, so I saved one life. So this is just crazy to me that the city's not doing anything about it.
yeah, this is talking about this coyote. She's been trying to get, she starts to drink a lot. Yeah, it's trying to get out of hand.
Something needs to happen because it's turning me into something I don't want to be. Sometimes I just, I just lose it. I lose control. I lose control. And I don't like it. I moved on. I'm happier now that my time isn't consumed by my obsession. I'm happy that I went through it because now I have the knowledge in case I have another coyote encounter. It's very likely that I will encounter another coyote, and I'll be ready.